Thanks to personal coffee grinders, you can load your coffee beans into the grinder, insert your refillable coffee pod, press a button, and voila! You've got freshly ground coffee ready to load into your machine. However, this method can create a huge mess. To streamline the process, inventor Timothy F. Reno Sr. has created the Lifestyle Grinder, a cleaner, portable way to grind coffee beans directly into refillable pods and coffee baskets for best taste. With this design, there's no spillage or mess to contend with, and filling up individual pods takes less than 5 seconds each. The invention is also multi-purpose. You can load the grinder with tea, herbs, or spices. It can even be used for medical marijuana. This will be hugely beneficial as many cancer patients cannot use traditional grinders that require a lot of hand strength. The Lifestyle Grinder has unlimited market appeal. Contact us now for manufacturing, retail, wholesale, distribution, or licensing opportunities.